Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today we are going to be learning how to move cards between lists in Trello. First of all, launch open the Trello application on your device and log into your account. Before starting, you'll need a board with at least 2 lists and at least 1 cards to move. Open up your board and select the card you want to move from a list. Here I have 2 different cards. Click and hold the card you want to move and drag it towards the bottom or above, wherever you want it to move, and you'll be able to move it. Just click, drag and drop, and there you have it. I will show you again with another board with lots of lists in it. Simply press the list you want to move, drag and drop in the area you want it to appear. And that's it. Drag, drop and done. Once you've done it a couple of times, it feels completely natural and maybe a little fun. So right there you know how to move cards between lists in Trello. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.